Hospitals ahodo ayesie entina uhunu enwumasua munsi achiba ahoro ninyina yesa asantanyene kwa eye empuntu yewura yenya usuo asanteman ema wamo santeman nu yahuda se yenya wo se yahine Ghana nu yahuda se yewo se yahine Africa yenu yahuda say a wall say Yahini.
Said ya wakano kanetete na near day a tour a cosa ya koye you should be one a giant wabakayamo. As until one year do became what say if we say you could be some kind of they say you will say and then ya cosa no they won't get the trivia and a cosa and it's a woman share you run to tell us say but till I put was a people woman share and say me ma jo Aprebi mi jira sense ti ba na ma ki bia ma me ba ya no go school panye wo program JHS and na kwada na bi su pon wo ye dwuma e de eboa e se ti ba no e nan chan se e bia kwanti kro ni ti di boa no na su fie nye no ye si school adan ye to konwa ade ye de boa ma e ho ba hia ne ade hia e konkan ye wura wo ye e no chi na wo bo chirechirefo abaso se de be ye dwuma ne be ye kono ama chirechirefo do na do okay, Mamma, a dear Fontia says, yeah, live. Our TV stations are who be so yeah, run TV, Open Soul TV, live on Facebook, YouTube. A double four. I guess Antimato was one for when we know for Frank and Maboy. Then Pedro for a can win your body day. A fair Santimanto and this year when you can jump to the day. Your body is over happy. And I call Edibus said. Sanson, a woman, you couldn't not tell what we jump to the day. You're right, Johnson, I see a two anchors here. The papi, we are cassette, and from a foot will be apple papa. Apple papa. I beg you one. Say you better see your brand new shoes, you said you better know. Say you better say, one man Penny Johnson, I see a dunkets here. Yes, you can, and you better say, and one when you don't know, yeah, we has a call.
Majesty, Dr. Kokote, I graciously welcome you and thank you profoundly for your support and your prayers for Ashanti man. À ce moment, c'est avec plaisir que je dis bienvenue la délégation ivoirienne conduite par Honorable Arrête Lagou, l'ancien ministre de la Femme et de la Famille. Et puis les candidats présidentiels 2025. C'est le candidat présidentiel en Côte d'Ivoire. Honorable Arrête Lagou, l'ancien ministre de la Femme et de la Famille. Soyez bienvenus. Les délégations de la Côte d'Ivoire, je vous souhaite bonne chance et bienvenue à la troisième ambassadeur ici.
I believe you will translate this to English before we do that into Twi. Thank you.
We'd like to welcome the presidential candidates for 2025. Not long ago, the people of La Côte d'Ivoire went to the elections, and she was one of the presidential candidates for 2025. She is the former Minister for Women and Children. Is here leading the delegation from La Côte d'Ivoire. Excellency Arrête Lagou.
I was saying you guided to when you say Côte d'Ivoire minor. One of you now that's Aprebi, one of my name was seen there where your presidential candidate. What also about Kayovo. As something tough for when you know say you're refugee. Baako pɛ na bɛte ɛtu ɛzɔli asa yaki.
Okay.
Eti yɛbɛkɔ akɔsi aka hɔ.
Vous êtes jolie aujourd'hui même.
Thank you. C'est bon.
I'd like to welcome the CEO of Tree Crop Development Authority, Honorable Andy Okrai. Of course, we have the Royal Golf Club, here represented by Professor Baby. They are here also to support this great ambassador here at the Maisha Palace.
Aprebi, and Afe, Andy Okra, the Mamina Papa, Bamwapa, Modimunium, Ebatayi Rachi, Amano Edinificia, and you know, and so. Let them say,
and as we have the Swiss ambassador to Ghana, Sanes and Sweden, Asante Kingdom.
Oh, Sweden, Asante Kingdom.
Sweden, Asante Kingdom. And so, Nana Afua, Acha, Dewa, or no, I will have a mere 7 all himself. Or 2 4 for a bad year, you get the room and soon so that sure can't take a set how and check and then but launches a book long.
Yeah, my Papa, no, he did kind of tuja. You're a doctor, Coco say, when you know, depending for more about the warrior. I'm a no more and your or one or 2 or 1 or 7 well, I can't be a Asante mine, about a day Asante mine, I get crabeshe. A mania quite so young Ratnasia. One man I was a Edikai, a call Mano, or any Atnasia, any Aquabano, Santino, a highness Lady Julia of say to 2 or Martin Ramo, any young. Medika has a new ready number going on. To also at the end of the farm. Washada akau ekwobia ensha bayasie nonso dia wodi airport ye me dey me nika na ye so mo I just want to some friend so what be kasa kira e mapawa want to some friend so what be kasa e kira e tokyo bi I was a penny I would come with the bar ɛba sɛ na sɛ woka saa anidɔpɛ no ho a ɛno ho ahyɛ wo nkora a mewura mo ne yɔ mema mewura mo ɔpeafo mema mewura ɛtiri nkwa na masrɛ nkɔtenten ɛde aba mewura dwumadie maka kyerɛ ɛka mo live ɔbrɛmsoɔ tv Facebook YouTube wowɔ hɔ no mu a wɔmfa mo kwan na sɛ wowɔ tv no nso a channels no bɔ mmɔden na hwehwɛ police tv yɛda mo live yɛ ɛkɔ so yi nyina daa ɛberɛ a yɛ maame julia ɛkyia ne wura nyina daa ɛda mo live ɛwɔ police tv abusua sɛ wote bɛyɛ a ɛyɛ abra na yɛ na yɛ bɛhwɛ bɛka kyerɛ wo a yɛ na ɛbi nyina firim ane sɛ wommɛn tv na sɛ wontumi nhwɛ Facebook ne YouTube a na baabi a wɔwɔ kwan mu a bɔmmɔden na bra bɛhyia na yɛn nyinaa yɛmma yɛwura mo ne yɔ yɛmma no ɛtiri nkwa saa berɛ no na wo he ne yɛ yɛmfa ɛtoto wo yɛyɛ ankasa yɛwura ne ba n'adeɛ nyinaa na n'afi akɔ bi ɔkɔkɔfa ne papa tiri nkwa wɔ foro soro ha bɛma aban ho mpanimfoɔ so bɔ ani hɔ anayɛma wo papa da wase wɔhene ba n'afi akɔ bi sɛ wa ampem Lady Julia, a highness, wako apapoma yura etimpa awie. Woba nyasa ke yo hiribeti. Na me mama me beti so Davida. Ahobrasie. Ajesa yanson bebia ye kukuru bia. Ya no hireba ye kukuru. Adwuma bia ye gira ye kabo me ye. Osi asantu man koso. Amen. Lady Julia will say to two, what she had a plura a year. Fade of the Sua, a penny for Abeba, they are friend of Fane and I do the source, walk all about Mama Ira and their touchy. Come on, it's your farm, a man of the year.
We are celebrating the 27th anniversary of His Majesty, Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, here at the Mashia Palace. 27 years of distinguished leadership, grace and honor, and the whole crime. The entire delegation from the regional coordinating council here to celebrate with us the 27th anniversary. The old Tafo MC, Honorable Abubakar Sadiq, the council chair, Professor Edward Brenya, is the council chair.
Afei ena Nana Otuo Srebo Japan Obi baby sasa dentia Ade na yemfu nyina atase ye bra atase Afei Nana Otuo Srebo Japan mayene afei ena woba na chiye esirisuo ane ye bra Otuo Srebo na bakoma samia wodi e fritete Amamrani amani apanso sana tie. Wasa ye bratina sie ansana. Waba. Ninti afei ena jobe. Nana Otuo Srebo. Ogene nkonya sofo. Wanu munyina atru hato santre. Ninti se ye bratina sie. Na ache wanu mabadia. Ani ana wanu mo kwati. Akochia yewura sana wona mu abatena se abusia sente ne sei sent this as I was saying. I never hear me and the TV this about myself now. I didn't see a microphone for your dance. Dance, I know. Now it was so warm. In another year for a kind of one day you put yourself for. Almost something in the airport. I call up about Yura. Tinko Yura, Tinko Yura, money young. Yura, your mama, fearful. Yansa, people are fearful. I soon give you a pop fearful. And young one was say yourself to get it come to the fort. What's up for here, your mama, fearful? Your mama and the young. What the others are there was your property. And young one walks up or be clear and a shabby. Was she a Santiago? Libra. What my opinion, I am caught and one good to I get then I get fed. I hit here and we have a picture of the door. If you was at the heat,
hello, let's go. So I'll try the car.
President, you are by my one amount of junior man. And I can see I had a ponda, what if you share at Piano and so I want to say you are. Now you become president and a master right of way or more clear. And you say I am also now and they to make the date because or to for the one to Muswami interchange, contractor Baswa and his royal workman. Road minister by all this who are having a name. And now I know can say, well, I'm not a head of the globe. Ramana was all called on the share or a humanity. Now they are the most faithful to said Tuesday. On one of the road, a whole one can push any Jacano. As I share and the other special for 20 said, this is the 10 kilometers of road. Baby, Matoma, for Aprebi, or Babayana at me, Abua. For not so, a young captain, the share of command. Now, not for the book one at the bureau, and I am a Hamakana medical trust fund. For not to make you know, because every time you come for not to let me have one amount for not to at me a fan to a watch a man. Thereby, I say, and I have a fida and any of my one. Thereby, I pray and send a snap. I don't about whiskey, I don't about brandy, I don't about champagne, I don't about wine, you need there, I don't about Bako, or 2 for 1 year, and champagne for 1 year. I got to forward 1 year. I am for 1 year, photographer for 1 year, videographer for 1 year, security for 1 year, or 2 for Abraham for 1 year, I do Abraham for 1 year, German Dara for 1 year, or 2 for Quadro for 1 year, or 2 for 3 year for 1 year, from 1 year, and I would have for 2 years, or 2 for Ashanti Kingdom, and Zambia and Western or every area.
So we said as I say, Regional Minister, Ujam, Apenian, Editor, Satellite, Ghana, mine, and then was so. 2 months in the 7 years, sending check, I would do the amount. But this is a product of Baya, Japa, Uchedia, Snap, Pentus, Sia, Aya Champagne, Pentu Sa, Aya Whiskey, Pentu Sa, Ready.
On one Casawaha, or so about Abema Yura, the Tunqua, Ramano Ade Toshi, Yama and Perifuina Aquabo.
We are celebrating the 27th anniversary of His Majesty Otufo Osei Tutu II, the Pillar of Peace, the Chancellor of the Great Square.
Asante, Yamra, Bepeja, Satia, Manapro.
Which was your sort of Mama, Honor, Edimo, Adambo, Adambo, was that to the shooting?
We welcome the French ambassador to Ghana, His Excellency
Secretary, Father Mebru, Bank of Ghana.
Swiss ambassador to Ghana, Togo, and Benin, together with the former Deputy Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Honorable Dana Asunabadapa. We have here the former Minister of Women and Children of La Côte d'Ivoire, who was the presidential candidate in the 2025 elections. His Excellency Ares Lagu. My friend and brother, Professor Charles Mafo, is among the delegation from the Ghanaian University of Science and Technology, led by the Vice Chancellor, Professor Rita Akosia-Dexter.
Mr. Obu said Governor, please that's all.
Of His Majesty Otumfuo Osei the second. Exactly 27 years today, His Majesty was installed as assistant occupant of the Golden Stool. One of his illustrious sons, Kantika Donkofojo, is here to pay homage to the king, to express his fidelity to the king. On behalf of His Majesty, Kantika Donkofojo, I'm graciously welcome. I will thank you for your service and your loyalty. Thank you so much. We shall launch a book with the title Otumfuo Osei the second, The Making of Ashanti in the 21st Century, 27 years of leadership, peace and legacy by Dr. Thomas Ajako Poku. Now, chapter 60 of the book has one of the article symbols, and it goes like this. When Otumfuo Osei the second ascended the Golden Stool in April 1999, Ghana's democratic experiment under the Fourth Republic was only 6 years old. The 1992 Constitution had restored multi-party governance, but the institutional fabric of that democracy was fragile. Political polarization was high. Memories of military rule were still vivid, and the country's governance institutions were yet to earn the full trust of its citizens. In that context,
Canada High Commissioner, and the Chow Otumfuo and everyone's
Efisia Epiano and so Ebne Chumediemo, you were a woman out of the no. Yeah, done on it. Or then for Thomas, a Jacopo, for no, and I'd be a good woman, I say. If you can, a woman of dreams back or 2 4 or 6.
French ambassador. French ambassador. Swiss ambassador. Swiss ambassador. Swiss ambassador. On est former Attorney General, Nana.
Dia kita bebri a ana no doso abidan fo na se bebri ha no fo na no mo bawli ada bebru sta ya ofiko e ada ma
PM. And exactly 27 years today, at exactly 3 p.m., Erima Kakudia was sworn in. It was still as assistant occupants of the golden stool by the name of 24 Osei II. So we are witnessing history as we are back in time. Exactly 27 years today at exactly I was charged as we welcome the system occupant of the golden stool, His Majesty Otumfuo Osei II. So today we are here, it means that you are part of the history that is marking the 27th anniversary of His Majesty.
And if you share and you know, and so you're right. Something was so yeah, I bet you was something here. Now, if you share, you know, so yeah, then you're also also if you know, and no be some pep. And then you will say it. If I talk, Papa condone everyone. Papa don't listen. A baka some and you know, we are coming, we are here. Dachibi say ye ka abasidea see yura e dawo so ye ebe ye was antihini
brother you too kudu one of the race course mo mo cha one race course for se bo so ba ya na me pa de se ma wo obo ma de no ba be so no for the was
Josia ye kura bra fosa adaka Yura, woman dear, a charming woman dear. Otufu charming woman dear. Namano woman dear. And I want especially in the war, a president, or the so, and then so ever be support. If you are the person saying, your snap on Petrosia, a profonsa, a Dakaba. Asante hima woman dear. Asante hima 24 woman dear. Yebaya, yes, the one.
The delegation from Cote d'Ivoire led by the former presidential candidate in the 2025 elections, Her Excellency Aprebi Ancien Ministre de la Femme et la Famille. I welcome the Hilltop Executive Fitness Club. And again welcome the CEO of the Royal Basin Resource, Dr. for the illustrious AC Fuku, Mr. Ernest Beni. Muyira Ewaha. Danaima Amono Jamfua Debra, Asante Fuahima UK and Ireland. Warrant Officer Class 1, Dr. Johnson, all here to celebrate with us. Ose Kofi Alice, Dana Abrafi Koto, Bafohima Tiwa Ade, the event secretary of Africa Helps UK and partners, UK Ahifo and the Ahima. Asante Fosika Jama, Kabobu Kofaribai. Today they are all here. With Warrant Officer Class 1, Dr. Johnson Bihari, Victoria Cross, Companion of the Order of Grenada.
So Yama, Yahowa, and the Mosifa would draw, Abayana Mosifa would draw, Amayokiomo, and then forward Womina, Abawa Yano Yama Womina, Ababa, Eurofisia, and you know, and so Mama no Ayafe. Santini, the Ayakumase Hilltop Faith Fan Club. One more and now, one more airport, Abakoma era, and the Tochi, Abano Etiuka, Sa, a great royal, member, a titri, a internet, against the one floor. One more Aprebi, a woman, more and now to Santinino. Was here right at our chief. If we say Asante, a year, a one kind, a two power, it's what is fortune, it's if
Professor Charles Fosu Manfo Onona College of Humanities and Social Science.
You want to be as I am so. I want to be a million back. They have a child, that's taking the car, and the amount. Almost I want to walk, almost to for another group. Then I am a fire. I'm a tell you, the Nigeria would know as our parts are so another group. And I'm a one year, but some people 1 year, we have 1 year, secretary for 1 year, we put to 1 year. That's a day, man, 1 year, another group, send a vice chancellor, one up on food. They can say, 2 4, now find out what I'll be. This is going to have to do one. Yeah. The Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, founded in 1952 as the Kumasi College of Technology. And this great institution is renowned for its contribution to science, engineering, technology, architecture, business, and applied research. His Majesty Otunfo Seitu II is the Chancellor of this progressive university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. A very prestigious university in Africa.
Yes, Kwame Nkrumah Siapono, the more Empenifo, one of my no, and a more Edgewayafono, one more ever my Yura ever man at the Toche, and Yura every day a day. And no, actually, Santin was so a call about my era at the touch. What would be about His Excellency Bishop of the State Drama, what no any, and I was seeing a war of Masaku Bataya say yet. A Masaku Bataya say, you know, and Krabatasha, I should deal with some sort of, but no, and I don't know. A year episode, and no, a cheap. Nana, Pame, the dear call, a dear little down the friend, a cheddar. Nano theatre of my year. The car home and my yes, you're and we're young. For me, I know, said that be a 1 year charity free so dear. I was up at 1 year free so dear, who said, I see people. I didn't see your real theatre there. And next to the buckle some AC, who's 1 year care buckle some dear. And you're not check us over come with you. And it's you or none sooner than penny for bar. I'm over my year at the touch. I'm on the more any young and it's you. Abraham so Abraham Davis. I was here if you don't so no. So when we have more, I share of him so TV, Facebook, YouTube, Imagery Live. Ora Habits, Beiju. Ora Hebet baby. Oka yura cheda ho. Omuyina ebema yura timma amano adetoche. Asre patente eni yedie. Ama yura na brekona so omabeji yura exam Asia. Akachro say awdeni bi edu ho na bibia ensanka ho a entra fie. Branabeji yura samushira. Danka a higher Sunday when the Emma Price area dancing and dancing up with young Kuma. The baby Yura, the catcher said, well, you have a cassie. And one dance a cassie a car at your machine. And it's Yabra. The Yabra and Samushra. We are from Queen Muscle. You are from Queen Pa. You are from the Tibiera. Nasu Diego, you were penna or dear, you will know what she was not putting a grandma. Now was only a pump and beer would see our brother so. Now I did say a part, you're sure a year to my own. You but years ago, and not a cost so pro. Now I'm pulling in a baby. Because I'm my penny for, I'm my equipment penny for. One of my working at the Bravo door, and brush up with your four. Anyone may come with now, your power of my papa. Mary Fiera Johnson, a city Katia. What I saw, I say, I could just so. When they are something months of for any mayor, any effort for. As soon as I'm months of Giptani at this. Chairman and upper sea, we know. I was here, I'm sorry, yeah. Sorry. And I know I am for. I am on no. We know. I need your. My emo adabusifu abodo ya boss race adabusimi Canada adabusimi
Bishop Archbishop Samon Etika donc comportement
Asante wɔ anigyeɛ mu saa berɛ nyinaa na Asante asi bɛhyia mu Asante ne yɛte asɛmdɛ National House of Chiefs, the one working in the
is alive. Our institutions are strong. And our leadership remains a beacon, not only for Ghana, but for the world. Declaration. It is my honor and privilege to officially launch this important book in celebration of the life and leadership of Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, the making of Ashanti in the 21st century. 27 years of leadership, peace, and legacy. Authored by Dr. Thomas Ejaku. Long live Otumfuo, long live Ashanti, long live Ghana.
Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, the making of Ashanti in the 21st century, 27 years of leadership, peace and legacy has already been launched. The book has been launched and a copy donated to His Majesty. We still have the national chair of the NDC, the regional chair of the NDC, Ashanti regional minister, the mayor of Kumasi, the MC of Asqua, MC for Tafo, indeed the CEO for Tree Crop Authority, They are all here. And now that the book has been launched and presented for it is now time. She names. I don't want to mention prize. But Ashanti Regional Minister is a scholar. He has 2 masters and still growing. He reads a lot. I'll be grateful if the Ashanti Regional Minister can buy a first copy from me. The national chair of the NDC is also a scholar. Yes. As a former general secretary, and today the national chair, and he's going higher and higher. And I believe that just as a secretary should also give me a good price for this book. Dr. Adioka. So Dr. Adioka is present. She will get ready to get a copy of the book. The original chair of the NDC, but hard working. It's indeed appropriate, the original chair. Also, give us a copy with a very good price. We have only special 10.
Lawyer Mujib, on a double require multi-fruit.
Of these special packages with 30 chapters, all detailing the 27 years of His Majesty on the throne.
Efishia Ebino Enso and Woma Dr. Ajakunkoko Ato the Bossiatro. A 5-year run, a year and more. Bako, a 7 and 9 years or so.
African for no body.
The second, the making of Ashanti in the 21st century. Bakudin no any.
Aprebi actually no. Now, on any Ghanaian you Dikaya, America Mamina, Omobo, I basketball ebono. Dikaya ebo. Abo Argentina Malaysia kwati ba. Nene abaso obu twesi as media da so ane sankofa. Na no mo se dia Asante ane Ghana ne beto so ya be no ano. No buy on the other side, would you there? Sounds so a woody, Sabi, a banner, fear to lose. And I saw a man, so the mountain, what the farmer was saying, I'm a mountain. No, the other, or so, brother, release a pantoots here, and how do I say, and I will one here. Two for the master.
Yashada, I be a Guadaka so Kokaiso, a Makumako edu.
In the 21st century, 27 years of leadership, peace, and legacy, the first copy of this dagger has been purchased by the national chairman of the NDC.
What's up, Bangers? Who's here to know Sonia? Ukraine, some envelope. Adarma, what the about home? And Wadarma, or him, also, Edia, about home. That the owner is of our person.
Now the special book that we are launching today, the national chair of the NDC, and the regional minister, they all have a very good price for me this afternoon, celebrating.
Said the can't be kind of truth, just saying himself, a penny form, and you don't penny for. You said you can see us at the matter was so afforded a penny for. Come on, you must say, you also and a question to for no, or there is some for. And now, as a matter more, and this year, when you pay no trips, and the woman, one of at the top, and maybe.
And then I'll be a while, man,
So now, the national chair of the NDC, Honorable Justin Nasibiketiam, the regional minister, Honorable Dr. Amagone, the regional chair of the NDC, Nana Akwesi, they are buying the book at 10,000 Ghana cedis. So Dr. Jakububu, we are here, we do the presentation, whilst they will
What then I pray, I'm for him.
And when I get through the fire, he may and Ashanti my own. The Edikai, Yura Johnson, and said, look at here, what talk back and Pimudu, and Nessika and Pimudu, connected to one a year of 100 million. Sanso and Ashanti Mantle is what for.
And now some but just last.
Sanso na Ashanti of Swafo, when my young for Frank, I'm not going in, was said that your penny and Casano, international Jabako, and Nessika and Pimudu, connected to Sikari of Pete Waha. Sanso na Ashanti and this year when you can know, when I saw a Tiny Ura, Chairman of the Sea, Chairman of the Sea, was a year around the Casano and one a year. Well, that's why the Bako and next day on Pimudu. And of a KMA Mayor, a year over Richard would be. Well, that's so and Pimudu and native is a manner of people who are out. And if you will be here, and Pimudu and Pimudu will come on and Pimudu and you 40,000 Ghana cedis. Ora Andy Okra. What one also the Diano and Pimudu connected to Diano or prepare Waha. This is saying a year and woman, a do I let the Kaya shut that year at what that come on. I am a come on now. The penny for your Torina. Amano Asa. If we say na Yera, a city just on to my review. It's in the Yaya, yes, the Shromo. Nayaya was say. That's something my boss say. And it's and then so you share more vision, you know, so I was simple and I see the most one. And it's a because the history and repeating itself. A back of some person was so beautiful. And it's a support no any woman. And it's a never shame her. That there is someone so a shabukina. I am woman, I am sure I did a fire Ramona. To bring a Georgia. I can't once with the Biaka.
And today, as your market, the 27th anniversary of the Holy School, and as we are launching the book, the 2402 the second years of legacy, 27 years of legacy, is here to also buy one of the books as a legacy and support to the 24 Education Fund. Now, Honorable Patrick Kwama, MP for Okaikwe Central, is buying the book at the cost of 10,000 Ghana cedis. Dr. Jakubu, you can do us the honors.
Sasuna Okaikwe and Brashet Bejani, say, and woman of Matobi. And now, so much on the side said, yeah, I'm pending for any million on education million. Sada Salinko and told me, dear. Then you said, Shada, and I'm probably video for Virginia, dear. Now, you said, and then so I am Papa Samuel, a copy of mine.
Some call a mine and a children for
Toronto approach.
Yeah. Your son, Rabbi Kusapia, Mazubata Mine, Nana Jomo Sapon, who is down here physically, but Nana Jomo Sapon is buying this book at the cost of 10,000 Ghana cedis in honor of your 27th anniversary. Nana Jomo Sapon, founder of the Friends of Rivers and Water Bodies. Nana Jomo Sapon, 10,000 Ghana cedis. Nana is not here physically, but Nana is watching us live from Aprebi TV, and indeed it has touched his heart to donate the impacts and the enduring legacy of His Majesty Otufo Osei-Tutu II. Nana Jomo Sapon, thank you wherever you are. On behalf of His Majesty, I extend a profound felicitation to your efforts.
Hello. Hi, Lawson TV, Lawson Radio, 96. And there you are. If you share a good song, Wape, Aprebi, Ahanko, and your phone, Rosu Bosomeno, Ada, and Asia, a and we are not being some pepe. Na me adwa ba yaw ofa yaw na me happy and then we were fish ya no e na the last year trouble bi wa ha ya wa so sabre no baba na ya ko ba na nse sabi wa ba na say otutu tuma sanse fish ya no kwa ni eti pene se cap ya se ko ko dura dem wa ahebu
e je so bro
ara o me bro Ever open source to the Mikasi. That is last year trouble you have. Yeah, I was so sad.